Hello, in this video I will show you how you can pair your Thomson earbuds with your Windows PC. So first of all, you have to remove these earbuds from the charging case. Wait until this indicator starts blinking like that. Put it close to your PC. Then go to this Start, go to the Settings, open the Bluetooth and Devices. Click to add device and select the Bluetooth device. If you still cannot find them on the list, I can recommend you to turn off and turn on this Bluetooth on your device. So let's quickly restart and let's click to add device and of course select the Bluetooth device. Okay, for some reason I just cannot find them on the PC, but take a look. They appears on my phone as a WEAR7701. So not sure where is the issue, probably with my PC. But yeah, when you just find them on the list, you just have to click on them. So I'm not gonna waste your time anymore. So the name of these earbuds will be like that, the WEAR7701, and you will be just okay. Never mind. As you can see right now, they appears. That's funny, but yeah, I just misclick also. So wait a minute. Yeah, so just select these earbuds from the list, like so, and you will be connected after a few seconds. That's all for this video, hope you like it.